approximately 45 patients daily. Every patient is seen by the admissions team at the start of their care and the discharge team throughout their stay. Currently, there is limited communication between admissions and discharge employees. This can result in patients being discharged late, causing financial burden to the patient and hospital. Additionally, UPMC currently uses Cerner as their information system, but will be switching to Epic in 2025. Because of this change, UPMC wants to seize this opportunity to evaluate their current processes and implement a centralized model of care to ensure efficient communication between admissions and discharge. The centralized model of care can be seen in the visuals on the left side of the poster. The first one shows the admissions team, discharge team, and physicians all communicating and working together with the patient at the center of focus. The umbrella visual shows all of the deliverables that the team created to make the model of care, including flowcharts, work instructions, and a SWOT analysis.
The team conducted a review of healthcare literature and UPMC's existing protocol documentation to understand the responsibilities performed by each team. The team also conducted interviews with various stakeholders, including an admission nurse, discharge planners, a hospitalist, a patient, an Epic representative, and the client. After mapping the current state and adding recommendations, we received feedback on our initial findings. From there, we implemented improvement recommendations and developed the centralized model of care as shown in the flowchart in the middle of the poster. The purple section represents the admission team, the blue represents the discharge planners, and the green represents the team's process changes.
Proposed process improvements include reviewing patient allergies at admissions, identifying a preliminary discharge plan, and creating a database for post-care patient facilities. This database will contain information about all post-hospital care facilities and reduce the time it takes the discharge planners to find information about locations. Technology improvements include adding a miscellaneous notes section to increase visibility of patient condition, alerts for changes, and role-based editing permissions as shown on the right side of the poster.
Upon the completion of the model of care, we conducted a SWOT analysis as shown on the bottom right of the poster. We sought out client feedback on the process, and our client was pleased with our suggestions. We expect the benefits of these changes to enable better communication of patient information between admissions and discharge, facilitate more efficient decision-making, reduce the discharge process time, and make regularly needed information more accessible. UPMC's next steps are shown on the right and include finishing the transition to Epic, then creating the database of facilities, distributing work instructions from the team, implementing changes into training, and improving the process based on a SWOT analysis.